What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kanai again. We're coming up with another tutorial tonight. In Java, we're going to be talking about variables. If you have been programming for a little bit or for a while, you already heard the word. You already heard the word variables, right? What is a variable? A variable, it is a place in memory that we create to reserve so we can store information in it. For example, we have integer, a data type integer, should be integer, right? But we're using int. Yeah, we're declaring this int and we're going to give it a name so we can reference later. Let's put what do we number, or let's put age 35, right? So we declare the integer, we give it the name of age, so as a reference, and then in this variable we're going to put the number 35. So it's going to be there until we come back later and we use it. For example, it is a place in memory that we have it is already there, right? So if we go to system, the out print line, and then we use age, is ready to be used, right? Let's run this program. Is giving us the number 35. So we reserve the spot. The number is there waiting until we use it. Right here we print that we're using it, is giving us this, the H number, right? So that's what we do with variables. And there is a few different data types, different types of variables. The first one, we have int, right? Int or integers, we use that for whole numbers. Like as we already saw in the example, is the 25 or 35 age. Also whole numbers. For example, how many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers do you have? 3 brothers. It's a whole number right there. Now also we have double. When do we use double? We use double for decimal numbers. For example, we talk about your GPA. What is your GPA? Let's pretend that you're a pretty cool, awesome student. 3.9. Oh man, that's a good GPA right there. Also, we have Booleans. When do we use Booleans? It's just to represent a true or false value. False value. For example, the light is on or off. Now we have char. Char represents a single letter. A single letter or symbol, right? For example, like the first initials of your name, right? Cool beans. Yeah, that's how we do variables. Let's just give an example how we can use these variables right here. Since we already defined what is a variable, so let's pretend I want to use, let's get rid of this, and let's go to an int age 25. Then you have double your GPA. Your GPA, what is your GPA? Student, let's see, student GPA. What did we say before? 3.9. So then we have a chart. The student first, initials. And then my name starts with a P. Let's put a P in there. Chart, student, last initial. My last initial, it would be, it starts with a C. The, like Canayo. And then we can just go ahead and print those into the screen. Let's use age, semicolon, and then let's just copy and paste all of this so we don't have to write it. Let's just change right here. We got student GPA. Then we got student first initials. And then we got student initials. Let's go ahead and run the program. Oh, there is something wrong with the program. Student last initials, last. And now it doesn't like this. Oh yeah, I did a double quotes. That's not right, dude. A single quote. That's right. Oh, nice. We catch the problem. Now it should work. Yeah, see? We got H25. We got GPA 3.9. We got initials. And then we got last initials for the last name. Right? And there is also that we can use. It is a string. What is a string? A string, it is a sequence of characters. For example, could be a word, could be a name. And usually the string starts with a capital letter, and then you just give it a name. let's just put a name. Let's put first name. Oh no, what's going on? First name equals to Pastor, which is my first name. And then let's do another string. Last name. Let's put last name Smith. Oh man, I got an English last name now. Right, and then we can just go ahead and print that over here too. First name. Let's do both of them. At the same time, this is going to be a last name. Okay, let's go ahead and execute this. Cool. Pastor Smith. Cool. Nice. This was all about variables, just kind of like a basic knowledge and understanding of variables. What is a variables, what we do with variables, and how do we use variables. So hopefully you guys liked it, this video. So just like the video, subscribe, and share it. And let's keep increasing our subscribers. I only have 13 subscribers, 13. So we're trying just to make it grow the channel. So, all right, have a nice night, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Okay, bye-bye.